Hey my pals peeps, this is Jackie coming to you with a special little collab between Chloris de Carol and Sweet and Sour Lacquer. Looks like fun. It's going to be an ugly sweater weather collab, and there's 4 polishes that they're going to be featuring with this collab, and so I thought I would share them with you. The first one will be from Chloris de Carol. Here we go. It's Carol. Pretty, huh? This one is called Yarn About It, which is a warm medium brown with multi-chrome shifting shimmer, UCC flakes, and a clear chameleon flake. So there that is. Look at all those flakes. You know Jackie loves a flake. And there's lots of them. Gorgeous ones in there. Get it real up close. See that? There you go. Boom. There's those flakes. A big one right there. Once again, this is Chloris de Carol, and this one is called Yarn About It, the Ugly Sweater Weather collab with Sweet and Sour Lacquer. And here, that is on my fingers. It is glossy on my middle finger and matte on my pointer finger. And look at that matte, y'all. Look at that gorgeous thing matte. There's a big hunk of flake right there. Stunning. Like I always said, I do love a flaky bomb matte. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful color, y'all, especially matte. I think it's stunning matte. And that is, I think 2 coats, I think is what I put on there. And it was perfectly fine. Once again, middle finger is glossy, and it is beautiful glossy. You can see some of those flakes in that too. But I think the flakes really shine when it's matte. Look at that. Gorgeous. There's a big gold, yellow gold chunk of flake right there. Once again, this is 2 coats with a glossy and a matte top coat. This is Chloris de Carol, Yarn About It. There you go. Very pretty. Loving that one. The next Chloris de Carol is this beaut. This one is called Knit Happens. Another bunch of chunky flakes in there. This is a deep forest green with red gold aurora shimmer. Copper hollow glitters in various shapes and sizes and mermaid flakes. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So pretty with all them flakes, y'all. And a little bit of glitter. I love it. Glitter and flakes together, my jam. Look at all those pretty UCC flakes, different shades. Some orange, some pink, green and blue shades in there, and copper. Such a pretty fall color. Here, this one is also mattified on my ring finger and glossy on my pinky. Isn't that gorgeous? Put it up real close again. Look at them flakes matte. Just stunning, y'all. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And you can see some of those flakes right there. They just really glow when they're matte. I think that's what I really love about flakes when they're mattified. And then here it is, glossy, which is also pretty. I also have it glossified here on my thumbnail. And that's pretty, but personally, then again, here it is, matte, which is probably my favorite. Stunning. Gorgeous green, deep, vampy, very pretty color. Once again, this is Chloris de Carol, and this is Knit Happens with the Ugly Sweater Weather collab with Sweet and Sour Lacquer. Gorgeous. Look at that. Boom. There's those flakes. Next thing, we're going to be featuring the Sweet and Sour Lacquer side of things. First one is this one right here. Another interesting brown kind of tan color called Woven Wreck. It's a light caramel crelly base with copper, green, gold, iridescent metallic flakes, hollow copper glitter hexes and squares, and brown micro glitter. So this has flakes and glitter in it, and you can see those glitters kind of shimmer right there. The gold glitters and the copper glitters right there. Very pretty. And you can see the flakes also too. This is a very interesting, cool color. So again, this is Sweet and Sour Lacquer. It's Tammy. Woven Wreck. Here's that one. And here it is, pointer finger is matte and middle finger is the glossy. Very pretty. That up close so you can see it. This one is 2 coats also, with a matte and glossy top coat. Now for me with glitters, I prefer them glossy probably, but that's just me with the glitter. I feel like I like glitters glossy and flakes matte. But this has both, so they look really kind of cool both ways. Either one would be amazing. Once again, my pointer is matte and my middle is glossy. 2 coats. And once again, that is a sweet and sour lacquer. It's Tammy. That's Woven Wreck. Pretty cool. Very neat color. A different color, I like it. The last one I have for you, this one also is from Sweet and Sour Lacquer, and this one is called Cashmere Catastrophe. I love that. How gorgeous is that, y'all? Look at that. This one is crimson, can I say that? Crimson, not wanting to come out. Crimson red jelly with a red reflective glitter, which you can see when you kind of push it down like that. You can see that reflective glitter. Navy blue hollow hexes and squares, green hollow hexes and squares. Isn't that beautiful? And you know I love me some reflective glitter, so this is probably one of my favorites out of the bunch. So Jackie loves a reflective glitter. Look how pretty that is. You can kind of see those all the way around there. Even under this light you can see that. Oh, pretty. Once again, this is Cashmere Catastrophe. Here that is. Glossy on my pinky and matte on my ring finger. This one's actually pretty both. Truly. I kind of like it on both. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty matte even. I don't know, those blue glitters seem to stand out when it's mattified. And there it is, glossy. And here it is all glossified on my thumb. The only problem is that you don't see the reflective when you mattify it. So with me for reflective, I would probably end up putting this glossy because I like to see the reflective. And there you can see the reflective right there. Boom. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I love this one. A gorgeous color. Love the red and the blue together. Once again, here it is mattified and a glossy. This one I think I did 2 coats also with the matte and glossy top coat. There you go. And here it is glossy. You can really see those reflective glitters coming out. Once again, this is Sweet and Sour Lacquer, Cashmere Catastrophe. So this collab is starting on September 6th through the 13th. And this is a set of 4, so I do not think you can do these separately. I don't have that information if you can or not, but according to my paperwork, looks like it is all together, and it is $50 for all 4, which is a great deal for some beautiful polishes that you can wear all fall long and all winter. So there they all are, and this is the Ugly Sweater Weather Collab from Cloris de Carol and Sweet and Sour Lacquer. Once again, I will put all the information when it's going to be available and how much it is down in the box. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you on another video. Bye.